and gentlemen, today, thank you for joining us. Dad's at work. Today we have Mr. Hong and Ms. Rachel Moore. So for our first question of the show, we'd just like to find out how much did you guys weigh when you first started your programs?
When I first started, I weighed 275 pounds.
And I weighed 250.
How much weight did you guys lose?
I lost about 75 pounds.
And I lost 100.
Alright, and for each of your programs, how much did you guys pay?
Jenny Craig was about $680 per month.
And I used Nutrisystem, and it was pretty expensive, but I had to pay $380 for 28 days.
Why did you guys choose your programs?
I used to watch a lot of TV, and I would see about 70 or 80 Jenny Craig commercials every day. So I chose Jenny Craig.
And with me, my best friend weighed 300 pounds, and she went on Nutrisystem for about a year, and she ended up losing about 150 of that, and I saw how successful she was, so I decided to try it out.
Awesome. How much do you guys weigh now?
I weigh about 200 pounds now.
And I weigh about 180, but I'm going to keep going and get down.
Alright, and would you guys recommend these programs to any of your friends or anybody?
Oh yeah, definitely.
Oh, and same here, I 100% would. It was very
The food was great, the cost was pretty reasonable, I think.
Thank you very much for your time, and thank you guys for watching. I'm your host, Jose Gonzalez. We'll see you guys next week.
Jenny 20. Jenny Craig, please. This is Kirstie Alley. It's in regards to me being fat. Can you hold on a second? Hey, you're chubby too. Let's lose weight together. They have really yummy food. That'll make it easy for us. They have chicken fettuccine. Fettuccine!
Call 1-800-JENNY20 to lose all the weight you want for only $49 plus the cost of food.
Jenny! Hey, listen girl, I'm fat. Have you called Jenny yet?